So how safe is upper cervical chiropractic care, especially since we're adjusting C1 and C2 right underneath the base of the skull? The answer is it's very safe. So in your typical spinal manipulation techniques, there's a lot of rotating and lateral bending of the spine, which can cause issues with this vertebral artery and a lot of inflammation in those joints. However, with the upper cervical specific correction, it is usually done side-lying with no twisting, no cracking, no popping of the neck, so there's no stress on this vertebral artery. With upper cervical chiropractic adjustments, they're very safe, very precise, and very specific, and very effective.